How to draw DJ Catnip dancing. Hey everyone, how to draw hub crew, I hope you're all doing well today. So for the first step of drawing DJ Catnip, we're going to begin by making one big circle right towards the top center of our page. Awesome, now we're going to make the top hoodie for DJ Catnip, so we're going to make two cat ears up top, along with an outline around the big circle that we just made. If you enjoy watching step-by-step drawing tutorials just like this video, then I highly recommend that you consider hitting the subscribe button so that I can keep you updated on the latest videos every single day. Now let's just connect this line. Fantastic. Now we're going to make two hoodie strings that will go right below that outline that we just drew. We're going to make one on the right as well as left hand side. At the end of each string, we're going to add in a small circle. Great job learning how to draw hub crew. Now let's go right below those hoodie strings that we just made, and we're going to begin to make the chest of DJ Catnip. We're going to do this by using one C-like shape on each side. Let's connect those two C's that we just made with one straight line going from left to right. Right below, let's add in a rectangular-like shape. This will be the bottom of the hoodie. Now by the left hoodie string, we're going to add in a pocket that looks similar to a cat. Next up, let's go right below the chest, and let's begin to add in two legs. Be sure to stick around until the very end so that we can clone our drawing together. Slightly to the left, let's add in a curvy tail. Now in between the two legs and the tail, we're going to add in a third leg. Later on in the video, we're going to come back to this and we're going to add in a pattern on the legs as well as tail so that we can color it in. Now on the right hand side of the page, we're going to add in the fourth limb. This is going to go all the way up by the head because this arm is going to be going crazy as if DJ Catnip is dancing. Awesome job! So far this is coming along very well. Now let's go ahead and add in a square-like pattern to all of the limbs that we just made. Great, now we have the entire body completed, but we still have to add some detail to the face. So let's go ahead and move into the face right now, and we're going to begin by adding in 3 shapes towards the top of the head, right below the 2 cat ears. Now we have to add in 4 more shapes, just like the ones that we made, on the left and right hand side, so we'll add 2 on each side. Now if you'd like to pause the video to either take a break or to simply catch up, then go ahead and do so right now. Let's proceed. We're going to begin to make the outline of the eyes of DJ Catnip. Now let's add a pupil inside of each eye that we just made, but when we do this we have to be very careful to make sure that the pupil does not touch the outline of the eye. Great job, now we're almost done. Let's go ahead and add in a nose as well as mouth. Inside of the mouth, let's add in a triangle-like shaped tooth along with a tongue towards the bottom. Now last but not least, we're going to add in a circle on the left and right side of the mouth to make it. Thanks for watching on How to Draw Hub. If you enjoy watching videos just like this, then I highly recommend that you consider hitting the subscribe button. Also, stick around so that we can cut our drawing together. learn how to drill hub crew. If you like videos like this one, then we highly recommend that you consider hitting the subscribe button so that we can keep you updated on videos like this every single day.